Hello and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we will be discussing an important topic for those seeking employment in Luxembourg. If you're struggling with navigating the job search process in this vibrant and competitive market, you've come to the right place. We've compiled a list of 10 strategies that will help you achieve success in your job search in Luxembourg. So, let's get started. Strategy 1. Research the Luxembourg job market. Before diving into the job search, it's crucial to understand the Luxembourg job market. Research the industries, sectors, and companies that are thriving here. Explore the local job portals, recruitment agencies, and professional networks to get a better understanding of the opportunities available to you. Strategy 2. Polish your CV and cover letter. A well-crafted CV and cover letter are essential tools to make a great first impression. Tailor your application documents to highlight your relevant skills, experiences, and achievements. Don't forget to showcase your language proficiency, as multilingualism is highly valued in Luxembourg. Strategy 3. Network. Networking plays a significant role in finding job opportunities in Luxembourg. Attend industry events, join professional associations, and connect with professionals on platforms like LinkedIn. Building strong connections can lead to insider information and potential job openings. Strategy 4. Leverage online job portals. Utilize online job portals specific to Luxembourg, such as monster.lu, jobs.lu, or Indeed Luxembourg. These platforms feature a wide range of job listings across various industries. Regularly check these portals, set up job alerts, and submit your applications promptly. Strategy 5. Engage with recruitment agencies. Recruitment agencies in Luxembourg have extensive knowledge of the local job market and maintain relationships with employers. Submit your CV to reputable agencies and keep them updated about your job preferences. They can help match you with suitable opportunities. Strategy 6. Explore internship and traineeship programs. If you're new to the job market or transitioning careers, consider exploring internship and traineeship programs. These initiatives can provide valuable hands-on experience, help you build connections, and enhance your chances of securing permanent employment. Strategy 7. Upskill yourself. Investing in continuous learning and professional development is essential to stand out in the Luxembourg job market. Identify relevant skills in demand and enroll in courses, workshops, or certifications to enhance your qualifications and stay competitive. Strategy 8. Prepare for interviews. When you secure an interview, thorough preparation is key. Research the company, review common interview questions, and practice your responses. Showcase your knowledge about the organization and demonstrate how you can contribute to their success. Strategy 9. Be persistent and flexible. The job search process can be challenging, but don't give up. Be persistent in your efforts, follow up on applications, and adapt your search strategies if needed. Consider temporary or part-time work to gain experience and make ends meet while pursuing your dream job. Strategy 10. Stay positive and stay motivated. Lastly, staying positive and motivated throughout the job search is crucial. Rejections and setbacks are a part of the process, but they should never discourage you. Surround yourself with a support network, take care of your well-being, and keep pushing forward. And there you have it, 10 strategies for success in navigating the job search in Luxembourg. We hope these tips will help you in your career journey. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and share it with anyone who might benefit from it. Remember, with the right strategies and perseverance, you can achieve your career goals in Luxembourg.